Hello everybody, welcome to a first kind of modification or build video on the Cafes and Cruisers channel. Ironically, this is not a cafe racer nor is it a cruiser, but it's besides the point. So the first series, as you can see, because you've clicked on a video, here's Dexter, is actually going to be a build on my Aerox 50 scooter. So we've got quite a bit being done to it. As you've seen in the introduction, it's not the cleanest, there's quite a lot being done on it. I'm actually currently on crutches. Had a metal rod in my leg and it broke, so I had to go and get surgery again. After a big bike accident, my wrists are still recovering as well. I had to have metal put in them. Hello! So I'm just building the scooter up while I'm recovering, and then hopefully by the time it's done, my leg should be healed enough to ride it. But anyway, that's not a story for this video. I'm just going to show you what bits we've got so far and let you know what bits are coming. Kind of put pictures up on screen, bits that aren't here yet. So number one, we've got the ignition set here. So while I've been in hospital and recovering, I've managed to lose the key. So it's a brand new full ignition set, fuel cap, lock for the storage can end to fit well as obviously the main ignition. When you're ordering these, make sure you get the right one. One has 3 cables, one has I think 6. I made that mistake, so you know, be careful. I've got all the paint here because I'm actually going to be painting it. So I've got, this is the main colour, going to be blue. I'll put a picture on screen of what I'm thinking, but I'm going to be doing it mainly this blue and then have the wheels a nice bright orange, as well as most of the accessories. Again, I'll put a picture on the screen so we're getting them out of packaging. There's new brake levers here, both front and back. That's pretty cool. Got these grips here from Scott, ironically is my name. So I thought they were pretty funky, matching the orange theme. I've got a throttle here from Nibbi, how do you say that? Actually looks really good construction, I think it's about 20 quid, so definitely not going to complain at that. I've also got their orange throttle cable, as well as obviously the other grip on here. I've got the starter button here. I am still waiting for the other side control, which I'll put on screen just now. I think that's all the main bits. There's a couple small bits, like on these levers, there's a blue fuel tube, which I've got orange ones coming, so they're going to be replaced with orange. I'm sure you can imagine that. I think, as I say, I think that's most things. If I've forgotten anything, I'll put it on screen just now. Completely forgot to mention when I was making the video, but I've got an intake manifold kit coming as well. Otherwise it'll cut to the starting. So in this first video, we're going to be taking all the stuff off the handlebars and putting all the new stuff on, like the levers and controls and throttle. Of course, I can't possibly do this alone, so I've got myself a helper.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow.
So I kind of forgot to record an outro for this video, so I'm just going to do it here. Got Dexter. Watching some Mop Boys. Yeah, so as you saw, the clutch cable was the throttle cable was too short, way too short. So I'm going to have to see if I can order another one. I found a Van Hill one. I might go for it. It's orange as well, but you have to solder on all the ends, which I don't really want to do. So I'm going to try and find another Nibbi one, or Nibbi, or whatever it is. If I can't, I'll just have to get a Van Hill one, or a black one. But I was hoping for an orange cable. So the next video will be painting the scooter, starting to paint some of the panels. And then after that, probably next week at some point, I will make a second part for the handlebars, when hopefully some more parts have arrived for it. But from me and Dexter, wish you all the best, and we'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye.